Hi there, welcome back to Afro Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Kasplo, which is basically a platform that allows you to do omni-channel marketing. Okay, so they help you with your email marketing and text messages and push notifications or WhatsApp messages that you might send to clients in order to increase their retention and improve the customer experience. So first of all, we can see that the headline is not, I'll be honest, it could be clearer because this keeps changing. And it's like, well, what is it? Is it intelligence? Is it revenue? Is it marketing? Is it commerce? Is it retention? Like, I think this is a cool effect, but it doesn't explicitly tells the prospect what it does. And even here, the subheadline says the AI native retention cloud that turns every customer interaction to growth. Unfortunately, that is not very clear. But what they do well above the fold is they've got a instant element of credibility in terms of the brands that they've worked with. They've got 5 out of 5 stars on Shopify, 4.8 out of 5 on Capterra, and 4.7 out of 5 on G2 on average. So this is really strong, and they've done it deliberately above the fold to give the prospect an instant element of credibility. And this is paired as well. As soon as you scroll down with all these brands that have worked with more than 750 plus worldwide again. So the prospect is definitely going to be impressed when they see this, when they see the website. And here, as we said before, they go more in depth about how they unify email, text, WhatsApp in one platform in order to enable behavior-based journeys. So this is really helpful. And again, here even more credibility in terms of this case study that you can go and read as well, where HK Vitals journey was able to be upgraded to 98% with 98% IPR with Kasplo. So these are helpful to let the prospect imagine what working with this business would feel like. Okay, so here again is what they do well is that the beautiful thing with each explanation they've got a little bit of credibility and case studies and testimonials to go with it. Okay, so this is really strong. You see, at each level. Okay, here they talk about how it's high ROI, less work, and more revenue for modern direct to consumer brands. Right? If you scroll down even more, starts like 10 plus 10, 10 plus billions messages delivered every month, more than 10 years of industry expertise, and more than 25 plus billion user events tracked per month, and 99% customer retention. So these are very strong stats that they can brag about to any prospective prospect. Here you can see all the integrations that you might want to use with this software, which makes it easier to use, like Zapier or HubSpot or WooCommerce. Okay, so is another attractive option. And here again, they encourage you to go and read the actual case stories with each brand that they worked with. Also, and so this is the end of the homepage. What they could have done potentially is add a frequently asked questions section at the bottom of the page to increase the credibility. Well, no, sorry, not increase credibility, is to handle any objections that prospect might have in their minds before making a purchasing decision. And also, but just to talk about credibility, they do well here in terms of adding um, the different awards that they've won in on G2 and the certificates showing that they basically are compliant with all the laws involved in this kind of industry. And also, they get you to try a 7-day free trial if you wish to try. And this is basically it. They've also got a video of how it works, and this is a good contact form because it's actually quite short and it doesn't take you too long. So I'm sure the conversion will be really good on this one. I guess potentially they could have added some more testimonials around the contact, the sign up form so that it would give a positive reinforcement in the prospects' minds about how to, actually signing up. And just to finish off, I wanted to see the pricing page. There is no the pricing page. You have to actually book a demo call before you get given your pricing. Okay, which is fair. Fine. It means they want more qualified leads. And this is a good technique to do so, even though unfortunately it means that they will get less opt-ins overall. But that's fine if they are, you know, enhancing the contact form just to receive qualified leads, prioritizing them. Okay. But other than that, I think this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a B2B SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next video and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.